Isang statement ang ibinigay ng GMA7 na kung saan ay may kinalaman ito sa kanilang criminal complaint laban sa Television and Production Exponents Incorporated or TAPE dahil di umano sa maling paggamit ng pondo na may kabuuang 37,941,352.56. Ayon sa kanilang statement, GMA Network has filed a criminal complaint for estafa with abuse of confidence against officers of television and Production Exponents Incorporated for the misappropriation of funds. The complaint filed before the Office of the City Prosecutor of Quezon City names the following TAPE executives as respondents: Romeo Halusos Jr., former President and CEO; Romeo Halusos Sr., Chairman of the Board; Seth Frederick Bullet Halusos, Treasurer; Maluchoa Fagar, former COO and current President and CEO; Micaela Magtoto, former Senior Vice President for Finance; and Zenaida Benavista, Finance Consultant. Ayon na rin sa report, nagsimula ang nasabing complaint dahil na rin sa kabiguan na mai-remit ng mga respondent ang kinita sa advertising na nakolekta mula sa kanilang mga kliyente. Narito pa ang dagdag na statement. The complaint stems from respondents' failure to remit advertising revenues collected from clients, which had been contractually assigned to GMA Network under a 2023 assignment agreement. Despite multiple formal demands, the funds were not transferred to GMA because they were instead used for TAPE's operational expenses in violation of the trust arrangement outlined in the agreement. GMA Network is pursuing legal action to hold responsible officers accountable and to recover the misappropriated fund.